As we begin our study of rhetorical analysis, I would like for you to call attention to one of the techniques that authors use in order to advance rhetoric. And that specific type of rhetoric is repetition through use of anaphora. Please pause to read the information that relates to anaphora. Pause the recording and please resume by pressing play. Now you're ready to look at specific examples of anaphora. As you read, please focus on the emotional response the author creates through use of anaphora. Pause the recording to read the specific examples and press play when you're ready to resume. Before you're tasked with incorporating anaphora into your persuasive draft, I will model incorporating anaphora into my draft. I'm going to work with my fourth paragraph, which reads, "The production of meat leads to environmental problems. Rainforests are being cut down all over the world to provide more land for cattle to graze. The loss of green space negatively impacts animals' natural habitats." I'm working on revising my fourth paragraph to include anaphora because I believe it's important for my audience to understand how negatively meat production impacts our environment. So I'm going to add repetition at the beginning of each of my sentences to emphasize that negativity. Now let's look at the revised paragraph, which includes anaphora. Meat production leads to environmental problems. Meat production jeopardizes rainforests, which are being cut down all over the world to provide more land for cattle to graze. Meat production is responsible for the loss of green space, which negatively impacts animals' natural habitats. Now my audience more clearly gets the point that I'm trying to make about meat production being a negative factor in our environment. You are now ready to make revisions within your essay using anaphora. Be sure to include 2 revisions. Thank you for your time and good luck.